Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to post ledger accounts. A ledger account serves as a fundamental record, summarizing all financial transactions related to a specific item like cash or sales. It provides a clear, organized view of your financial activities, helping you track balances and understand your business's financial health. We'll cover the essential steps to accurately record these transactions, ensuring your financial records are precise and reliable. This process is crucial for maintaining accurate books and making informed business decisions. Now, let's delve into the core principle of double-entry accounting. This system dictates that every single financial transaction has two equal and opposite effects on your accounts. One account receives a debit, and another receives a credit. For instance, when you receive cash, your cash account is debited, and a revenue account might be credited. This ensures that your accounting equation, assets equal liabilities plus equity, always remains in balance, providing a robust framework for financial accuracy. The actual process of posting begins after you've recorded a transaction in your general journal. Think of the journal as your initial chronological record. From there, you transfer or post each debit and credit amount to its specific ledger account. For example, a $500 cash sale would be debited to the cash ledger and credited to the sales revenue ledger. This systematic transfer ensures that all transactions are categorized correctly and are ready for summarization. Finally, after all transactions are posted, it's time to balance your ledger accounts. For each account, sum up all the debits and all the credits separately. The difference between these two totals gives you the account's ending balance. For example, if cash had $1,000 in debits and $200 in credits, its balance would be $800. This crucial step helps you prepare a trial balance, ensuring that your entire accounting system remains in perfect equilibrium before generating financial statements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.